Dear investors, Riddhi Veg Finance presenting IPO, FPO track and target. We are elaborating here about FPO, IPO in details, as well as we will give a prediction for Q2 pricing as per the IPO which has been listed in 2021. We are focusing here as a company name, symbol, IPO pricing band and listing pricing where current market price, and we are expecting maximum target which can targeted by the company in Q2, as well as we will give Q2 target prediction with the minimum. Here is the first Brookfield India Real Estate Trust REIT. BIRET is a symbol where price band between is 274 to 275 IPO pricing, and the listing happened on the 280 rupees 0.05, where current market price is rupees 241.43. We are expecting this can give maximum 300 rupees as a target in Q2, and Q2 minimum pricing it can goes down up to 222 rupees. IRFC, that is Indian Railway Finance Corporation, which has listed on IPO pricing band between rupees 25 to 26 rupees, were listed on 24 rupees 0.90, and the current market value is rupees 22. We are expecting Q2 target max prediction max is 28, and minimum Q2 target prediction will be 15 rupees. Indigo Paint Limited, that is Indigo PNTS, price band of IPO price is 1488 rupees to 1490 rupees, where listing happened on 2607 rupees 50 paisa, where current market share price is 2000 rupees 372.9, where Q2 target prediction maximum will be 2800, and minimum we can expect 1800 rupees only. Home First Finance Company Limited, Home First is the symbol of stock market, where IPO price band between rupees 517 to rupees 518, where listing at 618.80. Current market price is 400 rupees 452.1, where Q2 target prediction maximum will be 650 rupees, and Q2 target prediction of minimum will be 312. Stockraft Limited, Stockraft is the symbol. IPO price band is rupees 384 to rupees 385, where listing price is rupees 467. Current market price is 484.3. Q2 target prediction maximum will be rupees 600, and minimum Q2 target prediction minimum will be 310. MRP Agro, that is MRP, it's a fixed price issue FPO, 40 rupees per equity share, where listing price happen on rupees 39.75. Current market price is 35. Q2 target prediction maximum will be 52, and minimum target prediction will be 25. Nureka Limited, Nureka is IPO price band given by them is rupees 396 to 400 rupees, where listing happen on 615 rupees. Current market price is 693.9, where target prediction is maximum will be 900, and minimum Q2 target prediction minimum will be 500. RailTel Corporation of India, RailTel, IPO price band between 93 rupees to 94 rupees, and listing will happen on 109 rupees, where current market price is rupees 122.6, and the Q2 target prediction maximum will be 350 up to, and Q2 target prediction minimum will be 90. Haramba Industries Limited, Haramba IPO price band between rupees 626 to rupees 627 rupees, where this IPO pricing is given from the company. Listing price is in rupees 900, and the current market value is rupees 604.45. Q2 target prediction maximum will be 1110 rupees, where Q2 target prediction minimum will be 450 rupees. Party Cruise Limited, Party Cruise IPO price, this is price 51 rupees per equity share because it is SME, where listing price is 54 rupees, current market value is 18 rupees, and Q2 target prediction maximum will be 35, and Q2 target prediction minimum will be 9 rupees. Pavna Industries, Pavna IND, IPO price is 165 per equity share, listing price is 165.60, current market value is 166 rupees. Q2 target prediction will be 290, and Q2 target prediction minimum will be 100 rupees. And TAR Limited, and TAR Tech, IPO price band between rupees 574 to 575 rupees. Listing price is 1063.90. Current market value 1015.3. Q2 target prediction maximum 2100. Minimum will be Q2 target prediction is 850. Thank you. By Vridhivaj Finance. Please keep a track of IPO FPO track target to book the profit. This prediction is based on the current price fluctuation. There is nothing behind in analysis behind this. You can study from your end what maximum profit you can book, or what you will face unexpected loss to. Dear investor, thank you for subscribing Vridhivaj Finance. We will keep update you about IPO, FPO detail and their market value in the future too.